Hello guys, good afternoon. So today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on how to order from GrabMart. So click mo lang yung application. So if you haven't, you can definitely just download one from the App Store if you're using iOS, or if you're Android user like me, then download it in Google Play. So since I already have the app, I'll just have to open it. And as you can see sa taas, you have options if you want to use Grab Food, GrabMart, Express, Car, Load, Pabili, Shopping, and more. So for this walkthrough, we are going to do the one for the Mart, which is for GrabMart. Click on that. There's just a BTS ad Project 7. So I'm not gonna order from Project 7. I'll just dismiss that. So what I need at the moment, oh, by the way, before we go to the shop where I'm gonna order today, you can see that there's a free eco bag, grocery store, new Watsons, and fresh and frozen. So basically, what I need today is some frozen blueberries and also spinach time, but you can also filter um based on like the category of the food or the item that you want to purchase, because they would also show it to you. For example, like this first one showing shopwise right there, then Robinson's, Zagana, you have San Roque, All Day, Walter Mart, and yeah, that's just it. That's near me. So again, in GrabMart, I'll choose grocery store. I've been buying blueberries, frozen blueberries and spinach from Zagana. So I'll just choose Zagana for this instance. However, I think I can't see them here. I don't know why. Yeah, order again. Okay, so here's the page for Zagana.com. So, well, if you already know what you're looking for, then you can use the search bar on top and just search for blueberry, for example. There you go. So I can see the item that I'm looking for very quickly. So it's 500 grams frozen blueberry for 297 pesos. I'll tap the plus sign, and you are given some other options right there and some descriptions over here on top and the base price. So yeah, I'll just click, or you can choose as well if you wanna like 2 pieces of those or just one. So it's very convenient to add the quantity, then add to basket. All right, so since as we can go to the basket to see what else is there. So far I only have the frozen blueberry, and I'm just gonna go back to the homepage because I still need something else aside from that. So I'll be looking for spinach. There you go. So it's for 63 pesos for 250 grams. And it's a spinach baguio. There you go. I think I'm getting 2 of those. Just adding it to my basket. And yeah, so far this is what I have. And there's something here. It says add 76 pesos more to get 50% off of delivery. So yeah, so when you order at GrabMart, there's usually the service fee of 400 pesos and a delivery fee of 59 pesos. So that we can get discount for that, I'll just add 76 pesos more. So I'll just go back to the page. There you go. And I'll look for something that would cost me 76 pesos and is something that I also need. So yeah, most likely I'll look for fruits. Whoa, strawberries are really expensive these days. So maybe I would get an orange. No, not an orange. I still have a lot of oranges. In the fridge, probably an apple. I like the red one. Let's have a look if they have it. There you go, they have it. So it says there earlier I need 76 pesos. So if I add like 2 of them, and that's going to be 70. So I still need 6 pesos. What I usually do if I'm short by a little bit more, so see, says here I'm still lacking 6 pesos so that I can get 50% off, or 50 pesos off rather, in the delivery fee. So I usually do, I know they're selling those tasty, very delicious, refreshing ice candies. So I'll get one of those, which just costs $15 each. So I'm gonna get. They also sell it for like one each, like one piece, 15 pesos, or for pack, which is 5 pieces per pack for 84 pesos. So for this instance, I'm gonna order white coffee. Just get white coffee right there, and voila, I've got the 50 pesos off on the delivery fee already. So I only get to pay 9 pesos for that, and the 40 pesos for the delivery fee. Subtotal of the items I ordered is 508 pesos. And then yeah, you can see the total of my order is, instead of 607 pesos, I only have to pay for 557 pesos. So there. Since this account that I have with Grab is already registered, I am now ready to place my order. So I'll place the order now, and I'll be asked if I want to pay via Grab Pay wallet or just cash. By default, the payment will be via Grab, or yeah, Grab Pay. But for this one, I'd rather pay in cash. So I click that and click cash. I just want to double check first before I place the order that the delivery fee discount wasn't removed. So yes, now that I verified discount for the delivery fee is still there, I'm ready to place my order. So I'll click place order. So now it's processing, it's looking for there you go. So it's now confirmed, you're in the queue. And then later on, I'll be getting a confirmation that a driver, there you go. So they found me a driver, send a message to your driver, let your driver know that your order address are confirmed. Tap send to notify your driver with this message. So yeah, either I can send him a message for later, or I want to send him a message now. So when I click send, and go to this icon right here for the message, it sends the template that says, "Hi Nicholas, my order and address are confirmed. I'll wait for you to arrive. Thanks. See you soon." Now, tricky part is with Google Maps, my exact address of my home isn't like available yet for Google like address pin. So I need to tell my rider or my driver my exact address. So I'm just gonna say, "Hi Kuya, my exact address." There you go. So that Kuyang driver won't find it difficult to deliver my goods. This is technically me just waiting for the store to prepare my orders. And after they prepared my orders, depending how busy the store is, I'll get frequent updates in this app letting me know if the driver has already picked up my orders, and then it's going to show me as well if the rider is also on their way already. So yeah, it's just me waiting. I'll update you again in the next part of the video. So while we're waiting for my orders to be picked up by the driver, I just want to quickly show you this page of GrabMart, because I think it's very helpful. Because here it's also by the way available, this particular page, when you order Grab food. Not sure with Pabile because I haven't tried that. So here you can see the full name of the driver and also the registration number of their motorcycle vehicle and also the rating. So this guy, the Kuya, has a 5 stars rating, which is good. I can also click this icon over here if we want to call him. But yeah, let's have a quick look if the driver has already arrived at the store. No, it hasn't arrived yet. So I'll give you another update once the status has changed from preparing to... Actually, don't know what's the next step, but yeah, I'll keep you posted. As well, the estimated order arrival time. So it says here it's 4 to 4:15 p.m. And the time now, as you can see in the top of my screen, it's 3:47 in the afternoon. So that means the Kuyang driver only have like less than 30 minutes to deliver the item to me. But of course, this time of arrival that you can see here might change depending on the speed of preparation in the store for the driver to pick up my orders. So yeah, I'll update you again. Okay, so update guys, as you can see, the image in my screen is already changed. Still, estimated order arrival time is between 4 to 4:15 p.m. and status right now is preparing, but says here that your driver is already at the store to pick up your order. So yay! I'll update you again for the next status change.
Ano po yung blueberry, frozen blueberry natin? Oo. Out of stock na kasi tayo. Hindi ko meron tayong blackberry. Blackberry? Ay, yung raspberry? Hindi siya raspberry, ha? Blackberry talaga. Magkano yun? Magkano difference? Mas mahal kasi talaga yung blueberry natin. Pero ibang gana lang natin price niya. Blueberry, oo. Dagdagan mo na lang ng fruits. Sige, ito na bahala. Kahit blackberry na lang. Sige, push. Thank you.
The conversation was cut in the recording, but yeah, they are kind enough to reach out and say that the blueberry is actually not available. So they're giving me an option to just swap it with a blackberry. And since blackberry is cheaper than the blueberry, they're just gonna compensate it and add different fruits. And if you noticed that the status information has changed, says order confirmed, but the store is a little busy now, so preparation might take longer. So I think that's the delay. There's no blueberry available. That's sad. That's fine. So I'll update you again once the rider is already on his way to my address. Okay guys, so as you can see in my screen, the rider is already on his way. Now I'm gonna go down because I chose to pay in cash. I'm gonna go down and just basically prepare the exact amount if I have and meet him outside to get my grocery items. And I'm gonna show you the actual order if they came in good condition or whatnot. Hopefully they do, but yeah, I'll update you again. let's rate your driver's delivery service. So yeah, I don't think okay lang naman. Wala naman akong issue with the service. So let's just put everything and submit. There you go. So that concludes our GrabMart walkthrough for today. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something from this walkthrough. If you did, please don't forget to comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more walkthroughs and sulit finds. I'll insert a picture at the end of the video so that you can see clearly kung ano itsura nung dumating na items. Alright, see you again in the next video. Bye!